Hello everyone, welcome back once again in section 2 of this analysis where we are going to check what was a previous week prediction and does that work, how much predictions has worked, if not then why not, if yes then how it can go wrong. We'll look into it. That is section 2. And after checking the previous prediction and after checking the previous week trades, then we'll hop on to the next week. This week. Today is Monday. Literally, today is Monday. This week, what trades we are going to take, we'll analyze every single currency and then we'll shortlist the currencies which we are interested to take this trade, eh, take the trades this week. And guess what? This is not going to be a fun video, brother. If you're just watching this for fun, maybe this may be fun. I don't know about you, but this is not like a edited or something. This is fucking like a raw footage or something like that. So yeah, pretty much. Also, these are the exact. These are the I thought I saw a plane, but it's not. It's a bullet. These are the exact same trades which I'm going to take to pass my next phase of $1 lakh challenge account, which is the second phase. I just need to make 4% of it. So let's start with by reading our plan, trading plan. How are we going to make it? Because we have to read this whenever we start analysis, whenever we start trading, we have to read this. All right, so let's start. All right, boys, here we go. Okay, I'm actually overreacting. So okay. Oh my God, you saw this, and I will say the message will come again. I will tell you. I can literally give you a note because time by time I saw the patterns. And the message is going to come again. Okay, if the message come again, we are going to make profit. Just a joke, okay? That right there, that thing right there doesn't work, okay? So let's start. The trading success sheet. Okay, here's our trading success sheet. Yeah, I look like a dumb. I look like an alien because I told you I told you the message is going to come again. See the exact same message again. I told you. He don't know that I'm going to tell him, but it is what it is. At least he's trying, brother. At least he's fucking trying. All right. So yeah, I look like it because my facial cells are not finishing my face. It is what it is. Within 2 months, it will cover up. No problem. All right. So let's start. Trading success sheet. The goal. I'm just reading this. Okay. Goal to become financially free by consistently making 1% per month minimum on $100,000 account, which is equals to $1,000, which is equivalent to 84,000 INR approx. That's a huge amount of money, you know. The way we are living, that's a really huge amount of money. But that is not money is going to make me rich. That money will make me financial free. Okay. By following the trading plan, we can easily make 6.4% per month, which is equivalent to $6,400, which is equivalent to 5,68,067 INR. Okay, cool. Long term goal, having three funded accounts, minimum of $400,000 per account, which is total of $1.2 million, and making only 6.4% per month, which is equivalent to $76,800, which is equivalent to 68 lakhs 16,768 INR per month. I mean that right there is going to make me financial free. Okay, this is a number which is the starting, like like not even starting. This is like a basic of getting financial free. Okay, in my perspective, in my life, in my goals. So how are we going to make 6.4% right there? Here's the trading plan. Trades per week is equals to 4 trades per week. Risk per trade is equals to 0.8% per trade. Risk reward ratio is equals to 1:2 minimum. win rate 50%. From that four trades we are going to take per week, we're going to, I'm considering 50%, like half of the trades I'm losing, like 2 wins and 2 losses. So the weekly outcome will be the 2 losses will take us minus 1.6%, and the 2 wins will make us 3.2% total. That that right there is the plus net gain of 1.6% per week. Here we go for challenge timeline. So phase one goal, pass in 5 weeks. We pass in within 1 week. So we are above 5 weeks. We are ahead of 5 weeks. Like now we are on a phase two. So pass in 3 weeks. This is our phase two. We are going to pass that within 3 weeks. That is the maximum. We can pass in tomorrow or today. But it is what it is. Like I just wanted to like play it safe, man. Like because if I just fail this funded account, if I fail this challenge account, I don't have that much amount of money to buy this again because it needs 50-60,000 INR. That's huge money for me. So total duration is 8 weeks. Okay, so 8 weeks is equals to 1 month and 26 days. All right. So now the total duration is only 3 weeks because we are already past this goal, the first phase, which is 5 weeks. We already passed that. We are already past that account, past that first phase one. So we just need 3 weeks. So the total duration is only now 3 weeks. So duration calculation. So we have started that is at 13 October 2025. Today is 20 October. Oops, I need to turn on this trading study thing. Yeah, pretty much. Shit. End date is equals to 8. Alright, so end date is equals to 8 December 2025. So maximum, the max we are calculating 5 weeks and 3 weeks. Okay, that right there is giving us 8 December 2025. But right there we have updated the plan, so we just need 3 weeks. So today is 20 October. 3 week is plus 3 weeks is also 7 November 2025. So within 7 November 2025 we are going to get funded 100%. 100% I'm talking about. A guaranteed funded program I'm talking about. Maths works, brother. I'm giving guarantee just because of math is working. To achieve the goal, okay, so before reaching full financial freedom, the first milestone is to pass the funded challenge successfully. Alright? Steps to pass the challenge: stick to the plan, trade only 4 trades per week, maintain 0.8% risk per trade, aim 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Focus on consistency. Target 1.6% per week. Do not overtrade or even trade. Trade only high probability setups. Okay. Track weekly progress. Okay. Write weekly gains and losses. Calculate cumulative percentage. Focus on discipline, not profit. This is the mean. Maintain trading journal. So record entry, exit, reasons, and emotions for every trade. Review performance every single week. Risk management always first. Never increase the risk after wins. Capital protection is the priority than the growth. Keep drawdown low and account steady. That's a mindset check. Stay calm and patient. Avoid emotional or impulsive decisions. Trust the process. 8 weeks is equals to 100% success. Okay. So now from 8 weeks it's like a 3 weeks. 3 weeks 100% success. So here we go for progress sheet. So we have 2 challenge accounts and 1 funded account. So on a challenge account, oh my god, I have to log in that. Then phase 2, new account. So 100,000 phase 2, we are currently at 0% because that's the starting of the phase 2 where the balance is set to 0 and we have to make only 4%, which is achievable, man, which is so simple. The next is $5,000 challenge account of Alpha Capital. We are currently at $560, which is about 7.21%. All right, so I did a mistake, brother. I did that fucking mistake. Else, yeah, this will also be a pass. and this will also be on a phase 2, but this is still on phase 1. We have to make the 10% of this. Okay, so funded account is currently right now at a 0 percentage because we have cash out, we have withdrawal the profits. So now it is at the 0, so it is at the starting balance. So okay, the weekly tracking sheet here is a game changer, you know. So one first week, what is the progress of first week? Let's see. First week, 13 October to 17 October 2025. Our target was just to make 1.6%, and we make actually 8% right there. Fuck. We make 8%. We actually make 6%, 6 to 7%, but we have already make 1.8%. So I'm just aggregating. I'm just calculating every single thing right there. So we have make 8% just to make the calculation. So we have make the 8%. So we are ahead of week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. We have overcome every single, because these are the week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. This was from week 1 to week 5. This was exactly given to pass the phase 1 of the funded account, but we have passed the phase 1 within the first week only. So that's the reason we are now jumping directly to the week 6. Right there, brother, right there. It's a fucking progress. I'm talking about this. And I'm on terrace, man. I'm on terrace. I just I just wanted to, like, be in nature, and just wanted to record this. So here's we go on a week 7. Sorry, week 6. So now we are jumping directly on week 6. So this is 17 November to 21 November. It is not the. This thing right there is not the correct one. So the next so week 6 is equals to, the dates are here. 20 October to 24th October. Alright, so we are at a 20 October right now, as we can see right here. So here we go for week 6. So 20, let's pretend that right there, let's pretend 20 October to 24 October. Okay, that is 4 days or 5 days. So our target is to make 1.6%. So just understand that our target is for this week is just to make 1.6%, and now we can make 1.6% taking only 4 trades, 4 high probable trades, losing half of that trades, still making 1.6%. That right there is so simple, man. So the notes: consistency is equals to speed. Consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan, stay patient. Third point is focus on executions, not emotions. Fourth is one plan, one process, one goal is equal to 100% freedom. So we have done with this. Now let's go and let's analyze the section 2. Section 2 is, again, we are going to these are the currencies which we have shortlisted in a previous week. So let's see what we are waiting for, and where are we in the move. Like, we are pretty, like, for example, like, what is section 2 means about. This is all the trades are shortlisted. I said this is going to do this and do this. Okay, now let's see, have it done this exact thing? If not, then why it not? If yes, then why we have took the trade? Have we took the trade? Why we haven't took the trade? If yes, then why we haven't took the trade? So NZDJPY, it is beautiful for taking the buy trade right there. Oh my, this is beautiful, We're going to shortlist this for this week. So right now we are not going to analyze. We're just going to analyze what is going in this move. So here right there is, oh my, that's a beautiful liquidity gap. I love this. So I was waiting for 4 hours to go bullish. 4 hours got bullish, but daily haven't candlestick closure above this area of interest, because whenever we are below, we are selling. Whenever we are buying, we are. So whenever we are up, we are buying. So right now, at this place, we were below. So that's the reason we were not be able to take the trade. We haven't taken the trade. That's the reason. That is the only fucking reason. So NZDJPY was the discarded. CAD JPY on other hand looks beautiful for. I mean, it is ready to buy. It is. Oh my god. Oh my god. We are going to make money, man. In this week we are going to pass. I'm actually getting that feeling, the beautiful liquid graph, beautiful reaction candle. Oh my god. I'm just not making, I'm just not getting happy just because we are going to make money in this week, but I'm getting happy just because of we're going to, like, I'm getting that feeling by seeing the trees, like right there is like having the, like that confidence in getting to pass the second phase of the funded account, man. mm, Beautiful. So yeah, what we were waiting here, we were waiting for the 4 hours to get bullish. The 4 hours haven't get bullish, and we haven't took the trade. That's pretty much it. So now GBPR, I love the organization, the way it is organized. Like this is a today's trade. This is a in trade. Where these are the trades we have took. This is where the tomorrow's trade, which was getting ready tomorrow. I mean, when I was taking the trade, this was getting ready tomorrow. That's why, and this was an excluded trade. So GBP odd, let's go on GBP odd. Oh my goodness. I literally have closed this trade right here. Okay. In the morning I saw, like, yeah, this has reached to my take profit. Fuck it. I am getting 1:4. That's pretty much a lot. And it actually going to, like, fuck. It actually gone to 1:7, and I was knowing that it was going to go, but I was also knowing that it was going to have the retracement and to go up. I just don't wanted to get involved in this retracement because I just wanted to secure the profits, because if there is a retracement, like, I was not knowing that this is a very slow, like very small amount of retracement, because on a daily basis it was beautiful, like on a daily basis it was beautiful. I was looking for this to create exact same move which is now creating. That's the reason I haven't, like, I like I have like I got that this thing is going to instantly close like this. Okay, it is not going to go up. This is like a liquidity gap. This happens, bro. This happens, but we can't predict when it is going to be happen. So pretty much, so looks like it is going to go down. Come here. I mean, I'm talking. Oh my god, brother. Dubai, I'm coming for sure. Brother, this is like ready to take the trade in the next trade. I'm just serious about this. GBP GBP, we have predicted that. Yeah, what was our prediction? We were talking about prediction. Fucking. So GBP, we have predicted that it is going to go up. We have missed the one trade here on the table. Then we have took the next trade right there, and we have took the 1:4. Beautiful. I love it. I like it. I'm in love with this. I'm going to marry this. Alright, so right there is odd cat. So here we go with the odd cat. My god, something is going wrong that right there. Oh. Okay. Having a lot of consideration. I usually don't want to get involved in this. All odd cat I have predicted to the T. Yes, just go on a previous week analysis, and I have predicted that I am going to sell this, and I'm going to, like, have 1:2, which actually happens. Brother. Yeah, this was also a trade which have make me pass my first phase of funded challenge. Sorry, not funded, challenge record of six-figure fucking dollars. So yeah, this is our predator. This is going to have the retracement to the upside, and then it is going to push down, which has happened to the T. Now it is having to showing the rejection from this area of interest. We need to think about this. But the trade box. Holy crap. Shit, man. This I have predicted this to the T. Holy crap, holy crap, fuck, look at that, I literally have predicted this market to the T. Holy crap, man, holy crap. This is phenomenal. Now this right there, I'm talking about, I'm getting good in trading. I'm just, oh my god, this has still potential to go down and come fill this week. Man, I'm just not getting happy just because I'm going to make money on this. Fuck, hell not. Money is a part of a game. I'm getting happy just because my predictions are working the way I wanted to. Mm. I'm so good. I'm just like I'm a god now. I'm a god of a market. Okay, if I say this is going to be happen like this, it fucking has to happen like this. BTC USD. Now these were the trades we have took, and we have passed the funded accounts. So now let's go on the other trades. Or GPY. What we were looking for in or GPY, brother. Oh my god, what the heck is this? Like I have predicted so I have predicted that this is going to come up, which actually then I lose interest because it actually come install here and then it came down, and pretty much it just have like it just haven't given me the things which I wanted to, and now it is getting prepared to give the things which I wanted. So RGPY we just excluded the trades because we were waiting for now AUD what we were waiting for AUD. Oh my god, I was waiting for AUD to come to this area of interest to actually sell this price. I actually sell this. It just haven't come into the area of interest. So for a previous whole week we just have consolidated. Now it is very ready to come on this area of interest. We'll see about that. Euro USD, I haven't lost here. So I was waiting for this price to come on this area of interest. Why it lost? Let's see. Let's just see, brother. Brother. Okay, this is the 4 hours was bullish. Okay, 4 hours was bullish. Let's just go here and pretty much. Okay, let me check, brother. Yeah, we easily could avoid this loss. Like there was no trade right there. The price actually reaches at this moment, and at this moment there was no shift of structure. There was literally there was no. I mean, I'm talking about there was no shift of structure. We literally saved the losses here. We literally saved the losses. Okay, by waiting for the price to come on this area of interest and waiting for that daily candlestick rejection, also the shift of structure. There was no candlestick rejection right there. It is like, brother, oh my, oh my god, it just click right now. Euro USD is showing the thing which is going to be happen in AUD USD. Oh my god, this looks so similar. This looks so similar. Like see this, like just see it just like Euro USD right now. AUD USD is doing this right now. AUD USD is creating this candle right now, and now we can literally predict by giving 89.99% that this AUD USD is going to go up and do this and close above this area of interest. That right there is the cheat code, bro. That right there is showing market is giving us exam, and also market is giving us answer papers. We need to find the correct answer paper. I literally could buy this. I fucking if oh my god, I literally could buy this, but I will not. This is not my type of trades. This is not the high probability, but we literally can see that this thing right there is going to go up 100% sure. 100, I mean कसं सांगू यार. GBUSD wait, what we were waiting for that. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? For us, oh, we have given you. So we were waiting for Delhi Doji to create it. Oh yes, we were here. Oh yeah, this has started right there. Yeah, this has started right here. So we were waiting for Delhi Doji to create it. Okay, the next point we can see here, the 4 hours to go bearish. That's a cherry on top. We'll see, brother. We'll fucking see. Oh yeah, we were waiting for. Oh my god. Oh my god, we literally saved the loss, man. Literally saved. I'm in love with myself. I'm just going to take care of myself like anything now. I just don't want me to die. Oh my god. I'm so getting good in trading. Oh my god, I was just waiting for the shift of structure, which I literally got the shift of structure. Oh my god, brother. Oh my god. What about 1 hour? We literally got the shift of structure, but that was not. Oh my god. We're still above that area of interest. Oh my god. Holy shit, man. We literally avoided this trade by just not looking at this trade for that particular moment of time. Plus, I mean, yeah, this trade looks solid, but mm, this trade looks beautiful to take the trade to the downside. What makes me not take this trade? I mean, yeah, I was not in the screen. That's the one thing. What else? Like what else? Like what? That right there, I literally saved the loss, man. I mean, this was beautiful. I mean, break and fucking retest, man. I will literally blow. I will. Oh, I was going to say something. I was about to say like I will literally blow the account. There was new. There was the engulfing arrow. Let me check. I think so. There will be an engulfing arrow 1 hour. Ah, right there. There is no engulfing candle. Just because there is no engulfing candle, we save the loss. Ah, yeah, there, right there is not any engulfing. Oh fuck. We could. Oh my god. Just waiting for. The trade looks beautiful. The shift of structure was beautiful. There was no engulfing candle. That's the reason we have literally saved the loss. I mean, the power of engulfing candle. Fuck. Everything aligns the way we wanted to. But that one thing haven't. This was a trade, but we have just if we just waited for that engulfing candle, which we should be waiting for, we literally could avoid the loss right there. Also, the price action was not that good. But yeah, the wick was created. I was anticipating to fill that wick. It is what it is. We haven't took this trade. We have avoided a loss, and there is a reason of engulfing candle was not there. As a reason, we haven't took the trade, and we have avoided a loss like to the T. GBUSD, yeah, that was excluded trade. Okay, that was excluded trade. Beautiful. I don't know what I saw. I mean, I saw something. Like I might be saw like maybe we are just turning down. That's the reason. We are selling to the lower to lower side. Maybe that's the reason we have excluded trade. Excluding the trade saves us loss. Holy crap, man! I have predicted this market. Oh my, oh god! Look at that. Oh my fuck! Oh my. See right there is the power of my prediction. Oh my god! I'm getting so good in trading, man. I have left this money on the table. I was about to take this trade, but you know, I was about to take this trade, but I haven't took this trade. I haven't took this trade because it was not a good trade. It was a beautiful trade, but it was not a beautiful trade. I mean, it looks beautiful, but it was not a beautiful. Okay, like that doesn't make sense. Like that was beautiful trade to take the trade, but that is not a beautiful trade. Like you will be like, what the fuck you talking? You will just understand, brother. When you get good in trading, when you get mature in trading, that this right there is the like a lucky thing. Like this is this thing is not a good trade. This thing is not the good trade because they daily. I mean, there are a lot of things which I wanted to tell you, but I can't tell you. Okay, we were waiting for the daily doji candlestick. We haven't got the daily doji candle. We can't just take the trade based on one retracement candle. That sucks. If you just take the trade based on one retracement candle, brother, look at this. Like look at this. We are definitely going to get lost. Like get lost. Like kicked out from the market. This is the power of trading. Euro odd. The prediction was correct. Okay, the prediction was correct, but we haven't took the trade. So let's calculate the win rate. Okay, let's calculate the win rate. Okay, this is one trade profit. I mean, I'm just not. I'm just calculating the overall win rate, like my prediction win rate, like not my trades win rate. Okay, so this was like a profit. This GBP USD we literally could avoid this trade, so that is no loss. So tomorrow's trade about Euro USD, we could literally avoid this trade. That that's there is no loss. Odd USD, there was no trade here. Odd JPY, there was no trade right there. BTC USD, there is second profit. Odd CAD is third profit. Okay. GBP odd, there is a four profit. Oh my god, four profit. CAD GPY, there was no trade. NZD GPY, there was no trade. So literally this week, I mean sorry, not this week, previous week we got 100% win rate. This right there, I'm talking about not a fucking luck. You can get lucky in fucking one pair. You just can't get lucky time and time from literally from past 4 months. I'm literally recording my screen, going live on YouTube when I was having my laptop. Now it's broken. Now it has actually have came smoke from it. Now it has fucking short circuited, and now that right there is no more. My laptop is no more. That's a fucking overacting, I know. But yeah, I'm getting so good in trading. I'm literally sharing. That is what I'm saying. My win rate is getting good in good time by time and time. I'm getting good, brother. I love myself. Like, I'm going to take care of myself because myself is going to make me so big, so big. If I can predict market, I can literally can make the money. Okay, so here we are. Now we are removing all the trades we have analyzed right there, and we are going to analyze the next trades. Okay, now we are heading towards the section 3, which is the actual analysis of the currencies for taking the trades in this week, starting from today. Okay, so let's go on our currencies. Let's take a deep breath. I'm getting a fucking good feeling right there. I mean, from past 4 months, I am predicting market to the T with win rate of starting with the win rate of 80 to 90%, and now that win rate is converting from 90% to 100%. I mean, I'm like, fuck, this is huge. I'm talking about huge opportunity. You, I mean, this shit can't be like this. Oh my gosh, brother. Shit. I'm getting so good in trading. I mean, like, damn it. I mean, I'm talking about my mindset. My mind is now million. I'm a millionaire guy without money right now. Then within 3 months, brother, I'm a millionaire guy with money, millions of dollars in bank account. And within 6 months, brother, you just calculate, man. I will be trillionaire. I'm just calm myself down. Okay, calm myself down. This is the adrenaline rush. Okay, I need to analyze myself. This is the adrenaline rush of the data and of the struggles you are facing from past 5 to 6 years, and now this thing is started working. Now, of course, enjoyment is going to be real, Uddesh, but you have to control yourself because you're a trader. You're not an emotional machine. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Hold it. That right there is make me calm. So, GBP CAD. Now we are going to analyze, brother. Okay, so GBP CAD. Let's go on GBP CAD. I'm not interested in this trade. Fuck, that's simple. NZD CAD. I'm not interested in this trade. This looks beautiful to go to downside, but that's not the case. It is going to be happen. This is also not a good trade. Cat JPY is also not a good trade. Now it was beautiful trade in previous week, but now it is not a good trade. It I believe this is going to go up, and but I believe to create the new higher high, it has to create the new higher low. So it is going to close like a doji right there for the whole week, and then next week is going to be the push candle. I'm just not interested. I want a clean fucking trade. Okay, anxiety JPY right there. Let's just delete this, and let's just delete this. Okay. We are bullish in this move, and we have created the we this is like the uh, all right. We are bullish in this move, and we have created the lower low. Oops, that right there is not a good sign. We've also created a beautiful doji, which is like showing like, oh brother, I don't know where it is going. So it is having the push to the upside. That means it is having the bias on that place. And basically, yeah, this is like the low probable trade. Like I said when I start the video, I said this is like a beautiful trade, but now it doesn't look beautiful because whenever we go on a high time frame, it looks beautiful. I mean, whenever we are going on lower time frame, every single thing looks beautiful. When we are going for a high time frame, we get a lot more data, brother, a lot more data. So this has created the weekly. This has created a weekly week. Then it has created a doji, and it is this trade doesn't look like aha, like, yeah brother, this like has, I mean, I don't like this trade. I just wanted to take the high probable trade. If I don't like, move. G There was Bunga. Do you know Bunga? What the fuck, Bunga? Say this. I really don't know how to say that in English, but that right there is the bunga bunga insects. S flying. Flying insect. What was that insect? No. That is not the bunga. I don't know how to say in English. Man, that was like a fly bug or something like that. But a very very big. It literally make me scared. And I heard it like it came like zoom. I'm like fuck. But that word makes me so smile. GBP odd. What we are waiting for GBP odd. Am I interested in this trade? Let's see. Huh. I'm not interested in this trade because it is not a good trade. I will be waiting for the retracement to this area of interest to go up. This week there is going to be a negative week on GBP odd, and yeah, oh my god, this right there is fuck. It's beautiful. I mean, beautiful. See, GBP odd because on a weekly we are in the bullish. Okay, I agree that, but on weekly we are in lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. So right now we are at a lower high to create the potential lower low. Also on a daily is super on a high, and it needs a retracement to go upside if you wanted to. So the retracement is going to come down and retrace to this EMA, daily EMA, that is getting in line with this lower lows and lower highs. Right now it is at a lower high. Now it is going to retrace and create a lower low. Okay, basically this is what it is. So it is like whatever it case, it is this thing right there. I can literally guarantee for 89.19. No, sorry, not why the fuck I'm doing it 89%. I just wanted to say almost 98.72%. I'm just making it random, but it looks like a confident if you just put some kind of percentage like 98, and if you just put that nice 0.72%, brother, the person who is watching this is going to like trust me. But I'm literally serious. Like this is like a 98.89%. I said 72, but I wanted to increase my percent because why fucking not? This thing is going to come down for sure. It is going to create the red fucking candle. and that red candle is going to make this retracement right here. I want this to come here, give me daily doji. I'm very much interested to buy this trade for the next week. So if there is no trade for this week, I will be loving to take this trade for the next week, but we have to consider the weekly weekly thing. If weekly looks good, I will definitely look into it. So GB, sorry, Euro GB. I'm seriously like, in this trade. I mean, I'm not in this trade. I'm predicting that, like, I'm getting that weird feeling that this is going to, like, get bearish and, like, come down and retrace to this area of interest for sure. So it is going to crash, man. Euro JPY, it looks like it is going to crash. It, I am just like, I just wanted to stay away from this currency, ARCAD, oh my god. Oh my god. This trade looks beautiful for a lot of people, but for experienced trader, this is not the fucking beautiful trader. This is not the fucking beautiful, because this weekly has to close the doji. Okay, it has to close the doji. Until unless it won't close as a doji, I'm not interested to take this trade. It can go down. It can go down 100 fucking percent. I don't give a fuck. I just wanted to take the high probable. This can go down, yeah, 100% sure. But how? What is the probability of this is going to go down rather than creating a doji? Time by time, whenever there is a retracement, it has to create a doji for showing the rejection. So very high probability it is going to create a doji. I don't want to take the trade in a low probable scenario, which is going to go down. Fuck, hell not. I don't want to. Euro odd, not interested in this trade. Doesn't look good at all. Yeah, shit happens. Oh my god, this actually looks good for selling. Oh my god, I don't want to. This thing right there is going to create the weekly red candle for sure, and that is going to be a retracement to this area of interest. Like, a lot of things are getting in line, but this week there was no trade in this. And then, I mean, for the next week, I'm talking about on the next week, there is lots of trade, like a lot. In this week, if we just fail, like, not fail, if we just lose, like, if we just take the 4 trades and all the 4 trades goes in loss, brother, we are just losing 3.2%. You're not losing all the amount, just losing 3.2%. Those risking 0.8% multiple times 4 is equals to 3.2%. We're not risking our whole life. We're not risking my heart. We're not risking my blood here. We're just risking that 3.2% overall. And if we just lose, let's fucking consider, if we lose this week, the next week we can easily make the fucking money and pass the fucking funded account, challenge account for sure. I'm guaranteeing this, man. I am getting that feeling, man. Okay, I'm adrenaline. I'm on adrenaline right now. Come on, man. Okay, think about breakup. Think about breakup. Think about that breakup. She left you. Oh, fuck, she left me. Yeah. Oh my god, this thing actually takes me down like anything. Shit. This right there, that thinking, actually that happens, but that thinking right there took me, took me on ground, brother. And I really wanted to be on ground, because to think good, I really wanted to be on the ground. So this right there is getting ready to go up. Am I interested to take this trade? Hell fucking not. Not at all. Yeah, pretty much not at all. A lot of, like, currencies are getting skipped this week. Not a good trade. Hell fucking not a good trade. Not a high probable trade. Not a high probable trade. It is a high probable trade, but it's not a high probable trade, It is, I mean, this is what, like, you'll be like, fuck, right now you said it is a high probable trade, but instantly you're saying this is not a high probable trade. What the fuck with this is going on? This thing is like, whenever I see this, it's a high probable trade. When I say this, this is not the high fucking probable trade, because whenever we are above, we are buying, and whenever we are under, we are selling. So right now, right there, we are under. We have clues under this area of interest. So I'm just interested when the weekly candlestick closer above this area of interest, then I can able to see for looking for buy. But until and unless this is below, hell fucking not. I don't want to buy this. GBP JPY. I'm not interested. Instantly, like, no, no, no. I don't want to cut this. All right, boys. All right, boys. Do not call, okay? Do not call on that number, okay? Do not fucking call on that. That's my dad number. If I got you call them, I will kill you, brother. No, that's a joke. I'm not going to kill. I'm not going to kill you. I'm just going to. I'm just going to make you lost by giving you wrong trade, brother. I have to go down. Signing off. Let's go down. I have to go down now. USD JPY, where are we? Where we are in a, where which currency? Oh, this currency is going on. All right, so we have almost half of the currency we need to check. I will go down instantly. Signing off.